Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Waterloo. This is the Nitrams of Waterloo. It's a 48 apartment complex in Upper St. Andrew. It's located on Waterloo Avenue, 44 Upper Waterloo Road to be exact. And that's Waterloo Road on the left. It's very close to Shortwood Road. It's actually at the intersection of Shortwood Road and Upper Waterloo Road. Now, this is a luxury development, 48 luxury apartments. The building is 6 floors, and as you can see, very nicely done. Now, this is the back of the building where the video started, and we're flying around to the front now to show you the other side. These apartments should be finished this year, 2024. Now they started at 28 million, but that was a couple years ago, so I'm not sure how much they go for now. If anybody knows, you can leave a comment in the section below. Now from this angle, you can see it looks like the developers bought 2 lots, because you can see 2 houses to the left. Actually, no, it's probably 4 lots they bought to build this building. Actually, probably more than 4, probably 6 or 8. But I've always been impressed at how they can build these massive structures in these small areas. So have to assume building is going to have underground parking. All right, very nicely done. All right, guys, leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think about this building. Leave your comments in the section below, and if anybody knows what they are going for now, what the units are going for, like how much they cost, and if they're sold out or if any are available, leave a comment in the section below. All right, guys, have a good day.